I got one chance to speed. Once I get past these people. But we're gonna slow down to about 85. We're gonna go down to 74. Let's check the sign out there. Lieutenant Joseph Walto. Ocean Purifier, 1943. Alright, now I got nothing. Got a sign? Speed. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220. Would you have the fucking look at that? 222. Whoa. $222. Tied my record. Now at the dog park, we're gonna go down to the beach. Alright, let's go down. Enter at your own risk. Alright. This is the shitting part. Here's the Wildwood chair. But that's not all I care about. We're going down there. So where? Why? There's the store closing. We're going down. I know it might look dark, but once I do that, it brightens the camera. Now you can actually see what I'm talking about. It's currently 8:40 and we're going down to the beach level. There's no walkway you can go up. You have to walk on this line to get to the beach. And then we're gonna test the water temperature. Like I waited since April 2nd when I recorded record low of 23 or 24 degrees. It says to be like 48 right now, but I'm not buying that shit. They're saying 48 degrees. I ain't buying that shit. We're gonna go test it myself. I felt like every single degree of water from 23 up to 98. And then upwards it's bath water up to 140. Yes, I bathed in water. I bathed in a small pot of water at 140 for like 3 seconds. We're gonna go test out the water. Somebody looking out at the pier to make sure nobody's back there. We're going to the beach. I'm not going to that pier. We're going to the beach. There's one pier. There's the other pier. Ventures Pier's further down. You can't see it from here. See, that guy's looking around. He's not looking for like anybody on the beach because they can care less. They're part of the pier. Just make sure that nobody's up there or inside the back of the pier. Because I've seen all all the girls I've seen on Instagram usually hang out right under there. Right under there. Or under any of the piers, but mainly that pier. A majority do that pier. They don't do any other liberties. There's 6 of them. Now we're approaching the dunes of Wildwood. There's the Atlantic Ocean. That's not a thunderstorm. I'm telling you that that's not a thunderstorm. It's moving that direction. About 400 miles north. I guess this is a house, like a little outhouse, or unless it's like a little concession stand. I don't know what this is. Yeah, I think it's a concession stand because there's chairs. I think they might buy. We're gonna see. There's a sign. Chair, umbrella rental, boogie boards, hot dog, soda, water, taxi service. So it's a concession stand. It's a little stand. You got 6 of them. There's your other pier. But I don't know what that is. I don't know. It could be. Here we are. We are here at the water. And we are going into the water. This is what I'm gonna do. Take off my shoes, just like this. Put the sign, take the sign with me. Pull my fucking pant legs up so I don't get them soaked. And we're gonna go in. Dive in, boys. Where's your feet? Ah! Ah! They're fucking cold! That's 44 degrees! Ah! 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 They're fucking cold! They're motherfucking cold! Ah! It's dying, it's freezing! Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god! Get me the fuck out of here! Fuck this shit! Oh, now my pants are soaking wet. Oh shit. That is like 43 degrees. Oh my god. That is literally a little bit warmer. It's still fucking. Uh-oh. Get the fuck out of here. Let's go by the pier. Let's go walk by this pier. We're still on the beach level. Oh my god. I'm so freezing my legs off. It's so fucking cold. Wow, what is this? A pool? Does it still got water in it? Yeah, it's got water in it, so we're gonna test this one too. Look how cold this is. It's supposed to be a bit warmer since it's separated off the main line. Ah! 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 49, 50. Ah! Oh, let's wash our feet off. Now we're good. There's another one. I'm not testing out. I'm just gonna walk right over it. Gotta get back as fast as we can. It's fucking freezing. Oh my god. And now it looks like it's nighttime. 10 o'clock, 8 o'clock. I think we're calling it a game. We're gonna call it into the pier. We'll shoot back when we get back to the back of this pier. I'm gonna take a couple pictures. Ooh, 3 chairs. Let's take a chair. Ah, fucking smarties. What is that? Yep, there's locks. And we're gonna sit on this chair, like we do, and that's it. Take a look at the beach, the pier, everything. And we are calling it an end to the video when we hit the 10-minute mark. We're gonna see you later. There's Adventure Pier down there. And bye, subscribe to me.